Imagine waking up every day knowing your side hustle is earning $1,460 for you while you sleep. Sounds incredible, right? Well, in 2025, leveraging the power of AI makes this entirely possible. In this guide, I'll break down step by step how to start and grow an AI-driven side hustle to create consistent passive income. Stick around because midway through this article, I'll reveal a little-known AI tool that can multiply your earnings effortlessly. Don't forget to like this post, share it with friends. 1. Why AI side hustles are the future. AI technology is rapidly reshaping industries, offering unprecedented opportunities for entrepreneurs and side hustlers. The beauty of AI side hustles lies in their scalability and automation. Unlike traditional side gigs, AI-based ventures allow you to achieve more with less effort. For example, AI tools can automate repetitive tasks, create high-quality content, and analyze market trends with precision. Additionally, AI lowers the barrier to entry, making it accessible for anyone, regardless of their technical expertise. Platforms like ChatGPT for writing and Midjourney for design allow beginners to deliver professional-grade outputs. This accessibility, combined with AI's ability to enhance efficiency, makes it the perfect foundation for a high-earning side hustle. As AI continues to evolve, those who embrace it early will be positioned to reap the greatest rewards. 2. Choosing a high-potential niche. Success begins with selecting the right niche. In 2025, certain industries are experiencing rapid growth thanks to AI. E-commerce, digital marketing, education, and creative content production are all ripe for innovation. To identify a profitable niche, consider your interests and analyze current market demands. Tools like Google Trends and market research platforms can help you pinpoint opportunities. For instance, if you're passionate about fitness, you could use AI to generate personalized workout plans and meal suggestions. Alternatively, if you're tech-savvy, AI-driven productivity tools or apps could be your focus. Selecting a niche not only ensures you stay motivated, but also allows you to target a specific audience effectively. Remember, the more tailored your offering, the higher your chances of standing out in a competitive market. 3. Monetizing AI-generated content. Content creation remains one of the most lucrative avenues for passive income, and AI tools can take your efforts to the next level. Platforms like Jasper and Writesonic enable you to produce engaging blog posts, ebooks, or social media content in minutes. AI tools like Synthesia even allow you to create high-quality videos without needing a camera or editing skills. Once you've created content, you can monetize it through multiple streams. Blogs can generate ad revenue, while ebooks and online courses can be sold directly to consumers. By combining these strategies, you can build a content empire that generates passive income around the clock. 4. Starting an AI-powered e-commerce store. E-commerce has been revolutionized by AI, making it easier than ever to set up and scale an online store. Tools like Shopify integrate AI to streamline inventory management, optimize product listings, and analyze customer behavior. Print-on-demand services, such as Printify or Printful, eliminate the need for inventory, allowing you to focus on marketing. AI can also help you identify trending products and predict future market demands. The combination of AI-driven insights and automation ensures your e-commerce venture runs efficiently, even as you scale. 5. Offering AI consulting services. As businesses increasingly adopt AI, many are struggling to integrate these tools effectively. This creates a lucrative opportunity for AI consultants. By offering services such as setting up AI-powered CRMs, chatbots, or data analytics platforms, you can position yourself as a valuable asset to companies. For example, a small business may need help automating its customer service processes. By implementing an AI chatbot, you can save the business time and money while earning a premium consulting fee. This approach not only generates recurring revenue, but also builds long-term client relationships. 6. Monetizing AI-generated art and design. AI tools like DALL-E and Artbreeder have revolutionized the creative industry, making it possible for anyone to produce stunning visuals. Whether you're creating digital art, designing logos, or generating content for NFTs, the possibilities are endless. The demand for unique, high-quality visuals is skyrocketing, particularly in the digital marketing and branding sectors. You can sell your AI-generated creations on platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, or OpenSea. Additionally, offering custom designs for businesses can be a profitable niche. As AI art gains popularity, your ability to deliver innovative and visually appealing work will set you apart, ensuring steady income and repeat clients. 7. Developing ad-powered applications. Building apps might sound daunting, but AI has made it more accessible than ever. Platforms like OpenAI's API allow you to integrate advanced AI features into applications without extensive coding knowledge. Whether it's a fitness tracker, language learning tool, or financial planner, AI-powered apps offer endless opportunities to address user needs. Monetization strategies include offering subscriptions, in-app purchases, or ad-supported free versions. With the right idea and execution, an AI-powered app can become a reliable source of passive income while providing real value to users. 8. Enhancing digital marketing with AI. Digital marketing is another field being transformed by AI. Tools like Adzuma, Hootsuite, and HubSpot use AI to optimize ad campaigns, automate social media posts, and analyze engagement metrics. By mastering these tools, you can offer cutting-edge marketing services to clients. Specialize in creating AI-driven campaigns that deliver measurable results. For example, AI can analyze audience behavior to determine the best time to post content or identify which ad creatives are most effective. As businesses seek to maximize their ROI, your expertise in AI-enhanced marketing will make you an indispensable partner. 9. Creating educational content around AI. As AI adoption grows, so does the demand for education on how to use these tools effectively. Creating courses or tutorials on platforms like Teachable or Udemy can generate significant passive income. Focus on teaching beginners how to leverage AI tools for personal or professional use. For instance, you could create a course on using AI for social media marketing or automating business workflows. Promote your content through social media, email marketing, or partnerships with influencers. With AI handling much of the content creation process, you can focus on delivering value and expanding your audience. 10. The secret to long-term AI success. The key to sustaining success in the AI side hustle space is staying informed and adaptable. AI technology evolves rapidly, and keeping up with trends ensures you remain competitive. Invest in continuous learning through courses, webinars, or networking with other AI enthusiasts. Additionally, reinvest your earnings into improving your tools or expanding your offerings. For example, upgrading to premium AI software can enhance your productivity and output quality. By consistently delivering value and adapting to changes, you can build a thriving, future-proof side hustle that generates income for years to come. The opportunities to earn $1,460 or more per day with AI side hustles are endless in 2025. From content creation and e-commerce to consulting and app development, AI is transforming how we work and earn. If this guide inspired you, hit that like button, share it with someone looking for financial freedom, and subscribe for more actionable strategies. Let's harness the power of AI and turn your side hustle dreams into reality.